22nd of December 2021. It is the 356th day of the year. There are only 9 days left to complete this year. Welcome to PYP's Assembly 6. I'm Anna from PYP 5 and today I will be taking you through the Gurukul Bulletin for the month of December. Thought for the day. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. We learn by doing, but we learn more by reflecting on what we have done. The attribute of learner profile for this month is reflective. I am who I am today because of the choices I made yesterday. We thoughtfully consider the world and our own ideal and experience. We work to understand our strengths and weaknesses. In order to support our learning and personal development, we participated in asynchronous activities under the banner I am reflective over all the weekends in December. My soil, my roots. Family, ancestors, relatives and extended families play a very important role in our upbringing. We cherish the values and morals that we inherit from all our elders. We would like to acknowledge the contribution of their roots to help us stand firmly on their grounds and groom us bloom into beautiful individuals. For the same, we participated in the asynchronous activity My Soil, My Roots. Smart Saver. Energy conservation is the decision and practice of using less energy. Turning off the light when you leave the room, unplugging appliances when they are not in use, and walking instead of driving are all the examples of energy conservation. The two main reasons people conserve energy are to gain more control over their energy bill and reduce the demand on Earth's natural resources. We want to be smart savers, not only of energy but of water, paper, power, money, time, fuel as well. We want to make people aware of the effect, misuse and wastage of energy we claim to be lasting forever. Joy of giving. Receiving gift is a great feeling but most short-lived. Our lives are fulfilling when we give and share. And that great inner joy comes from helping others to be better their lives. Giving provides an intrinsic reward that is far more valuable than the gift we receive. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. True joy lies in act of giving without an expectation of receiving something in return. The act of giving kindness, self-esteem and brings happiness. This festive season, we took a part in asynchronous activity to experience the joy of giving. Significance of the day. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22 December annually to commemorate the birthday anniversary of the famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. He had a remarkable contribution in various fields of mathematics and its branches. He was born on 22 December 1887 in Erode, today in the city of Tamil Nadu. From ancient to medieval India, the mathematical works were composed in Sanskrit, especially consist of sutras in which a set of rules or problems were stated. Some of the wonders in mathematics discovered by Indians that have been used by the whole world are decimal numbers system, concept of zero as a number, negative number, arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, etc. Gurukul News. Inter-House Poetry Event. As students, we want to spread the word about the UN SDG. We took a part in Inter-House Poetry event in which we recited poem based on sustainability. Priya ma'am, who is the English head of department for our school, was the judge for the event. Prithvi House was the best. Inter-House Quiz Event. To continue with our little steps to achieve the UN SDG, we participated in a quiz, The Global Citizen. This was based on the 6 SDGs. Number 3, 4, 6, 7, 15, 14 that was selected for us. Winner of EY, Guardians. Winner of House was Prithvi. Good health and well-being. Quality education. Clean waters and sanitization. Affordable and clean energy. Life below water. Life on land. Christmas songs and carol cannot help stop but make our feet dance to the foot tapping music. Choreographed a dance number and Aarti ma'am, who is the head of department, dance assessed all them. All the best performance were compiled together and shared with the whole school, even the media. Carol singing, we took a part in choral carol singing, that too online. Christmas art. We learned various paper craft activities with the help of Chetna ma'am, our visual arts teacher. She taught us how to make greeting cards, snowman, candles, wreaths, Christmas trees and Santa. Great Santa. In admiration for our friends, we played the Secret Santa and gifted small digital cards to each other. Tips. Stay healthy in winters. Wash your hand often with soap and water. When you sneeze or cough, cover your mouth and nose. Use hand sanitizer or fan and remind others to do the same. Eating healthy, well-balanced meal can strengthen your immune system. Exercise can boost your immune system and help speed up recovery from illness. Appreciation. Thank you Neil from PYP3's Ravi for the lovely voiceover for the presentation on Christmas celebration. Birthdays. Here comes the best part of assembly. Birthday celebration. Students who celebrated their birthday in December are Aram on 8 December from grade 5, Kavya on 13 December from grade 2, Shaurya on 18 December from grade 3 Chandra, Nida on 23 December from grade 5, Daksha on 31st December from grade 4, Mayur on 31st December from grade 1. Motivations. Every house member must collect points for good participation, academic achievements, regular attendance, work submission and overall behavior. Scores for the first term are Agni 8300.5, Jal 7647.5, Prithvi 9148, Vayu 7443. With this announcement, I, Anand from PYP5 would like to sign off until PYP Assembly 7. In the new year, it's Ados from PYP. Thank you for watching. Wish you all Merry Christmas and a very happy 2022.